Hey, what's up? You already know why we're here because you read the title. So let's get into this makeup look. Firstly, I'm going to start with my skin. I'm putting on some gel moisturizer. Next, we got to go in with the SPF. You definitely want to use this year round, okay? Look at the face, the glow. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tape the sides of my eyes because I want this nice, sleek, neat look when it comes to my eyeshadow. And yes, we're gonna be doing the eyeshadow first. I'm gonna be using the Nomad palettes, and I'm gonna be going in with this color here. Not only are we applying this color, but we're also blending it at the same time of applying it. And you want to make sure you get all the way up to the tape. Next, using Golden Hour, we're going to go in with this orange color here. Next, we're going to go in with this dark burgundy color called Shadow. And we're just going to blend and apply that to the outer portion of our eyelid. And we want to make sure that we're getting some in the crease and blended it into the crease as well. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. Next, going in with this color here, we're going to go ahead and take this to the top of our colors and blend it upwards. Next, we're going to go in with the solstice on our lower lid. Just going to pack that on. Next, we're going to go in with reflection, and you want to apply that to the middle of your lower lid. And you also want to apply it upwards. And we take it off, and we take it off, and look how easy that was. We done. We done. Next, we are gonna go in with some face primer by e.l.f. Next, we're going to use the Double Wear by Estee Lauder. This foundation literally has me in a chokehold, y'all. So if you want full coverage, this is the foundation for you. And it definitely does stay in place all day. Next, we're going to go in with some full coverage concealer because we want a full glam, okay? We want a full beat. So yes, everything in this video is going to be highly pigmented and full coverage. So I'm just blending this out with my brush. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the other niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on me, now we mad because you let me low. Next, we're going to go in with some Laura Mercier, the Honey Translucent Powder. We're going to go in with a damp beauty blender, and we are just going to apply this. I do what I want. She get what she want. I call her my wish
When you apply this powder with a damp beauty blender, it literally just melts onto your face. Like, look at that. Not a chalky look in sight.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me.
Next, we have to use some bronzer. Shades by Shan is the bronzer of choice today. So right now I am just contouring my nose. And then I'm going in with some bronzer on my cheeks, as well as my face, the outline of my face. Next, we're going to go in with this palette and use some blush, because blush is essential with this look. Blush is essential with any look that I do, okay? This blush is highly pigmented, so I definitely like to build it up and not go too crazy at first. Next, I'm going to be using the pressed powder. That's right, I saw this hack on TikTok and on someone's Instagram reel, and I had to try it. And y'all, look at this. Like, I will never ever skip this step again. I'm just pressing this powder, just lightly tapping it in, pressing it in over where I applied my translucent powder, and look at that. Look at the difference. Look at that side. Now look at this side. Y'all, I'm looking like a life-size filter right now, okay? Your girl is giving filter in real life. So I'm just doing the same for this other side. And I'm also going to put some on my nose. Look at that. Look at that, y'all.
You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I'm gonna go in my waterline with this Wet n Wild black pencil. If you all like very highly pigmented eyeliners, then this is the eyeliner for you. You can get it really cheap at either the beauty supply or your local grocery store, whether it be Kroger or Target. This is the eyeliner for you. Look at this look. I'm loving it already. Next, we're gonna go in with some e.l.f. setting spray. But we're not done. We have to put on some mascara. You better hit them bottom lashes with this mascara. That just completes the look. Last but not least, we need a lip, okay? So let's get into this lip. We're using the Matte Ink by Maybelline.
Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes.
And this look is complete, y'all. It's definitely giving full glam fall. All of the products will be listed down below. Until next time.
You nigga